I just saw this frozen yogurt and I thought, I want earrings like this. I just bought this super spontaneously because I love miniatures. I saw it's a new series, so I'm really hoping that that I will get this particular one. Whatever is in that bowl, I hope it comes in pairs. I have a pinhole here. Whatever is there, and if you want it, search for that. Let's see. I can already see that it's something coffee. I don't mind. I love coffee. I hope it's not just one mug. Did I just get avocados? If that's the case, this will make gorgeous earrings. Let's see.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
The idea is that I will add a ring to each one of them, harden it with a resin, and that will allow me to have a hook. Maybe I need bigger ones.